If you're still doing everything yourself, no wonder your business isn't growing. If your business can't run without you, you don't own a business, you own a job. I meet business owners all the time who are stuck doing everything themselves because they don't trust their team, they don't have the right systems, or they simply don't know how to step back. The result is burnout, stress, and the business doesn't grow. So here's how you can start stepping back today. First, make a list of everything you do that someone else could handle. Then start delegating that list. Second, create step-by-step instructions. When employees know exactly what to do, they won't have to rely on you. And thirdly, set up weekly check-ins instead of daily interruptions. This gives your team independence while keeping things on track. If you're stuck doing all the work, then it's time for a shift. Come along to my workshop on the 29th of April, Beb's Bistro on Holborn Street, and find out the 6 steps, the framework that I use to help business owners to scale.